Before athletic footwear dominated modern wardrobes. Before sneakers became cultural icons. Before mass production transformed the footwear industry. A quiet revolution took place inside a boot. Not through dramatic technology, not through expensive materials, not through complex engineering, through simplicity, a small piece of elastic. A seemingly insignificant addition that would permanently change how people put on and remove footwear. The result became known as the elastic side boot. Today, millions of people wear versions of this design without giving it much thought. Workers rely on it, fashion enthusiasts admire it, musicians embrace it, professionals trust it. The design appears almost obvious, and that may be its greatest achievement. Because the most successful innovations often feel inevitable once they exist. Yet before they existed, nobody had solved the problem quite so effectively. The elastic side boot is one of those innovations. A design so practical that it survived generations of technological change. At first glance, the boot appears elegant. Smooth leather, clean silhouette, minimal decoration, distinctive elastic panels positioned on either side of the ankle. The design feels effortless, but every successful product hides a story. And the story of elastic side boots begins during a period of remarkable innovation. The 19th century transformed everyday life. Industrialization reshaped economies. Transportation improved. Manufacturing expanded. New materials entered society. Inventors searched constantly for better solutions to ordinary problems. Footwear was no exception. Traditional boots often required significant effort to put on and remove. Laces consumed time. Buttons demanded patience. Fastening systems complicated daily routines. People accepted these inconveniences because alternatives were limited. Then elastic technology arrived. Elastic materials represented a remarkable breakthrough. For the first time, designers could create products capable of stretching and returning reliably to their original shape. The possibilities extended far beyond clothing. But footwear designers quickly recognized an opportunity. What if boots could expand temporarily while being worn? What if they could grip the foot securely afterward? The concept was simple. The consequences were profound. One of the most important figures associated with this innovation was J. Sparks Hall, a bootmaker who developed an elastic-sided riding boot during the Victorian era. The design attracted attention because it solved a real problem. Convenience improved dramatically. Users could slip boots on and off without complicated fastening systems. Speed increased. Comfort improved. The boot retained an elegant appearance. Few inventions deliver multiple benefits simultaneously. The elastic side boot succeeded because it did exactly that. Psychology helps explain why people respond so strongly to convenience. Humans consistently prefer solutions that reduce effort. Not because people dislike effort itself. Because unnecessary effort feels wasteful. The elastic side boot eliminated friction from a daily task. Every time a person wore the boot, the advantage became apparent. Small improvements repeated frequently often create enormous value. The design exemplifies this principle. The boot became easier to live with. And products that are easy to live with tend to survive. Craftsmanship remained essential despite the new technology. Elastic panels solved one challenge. The rest of the boot still demanded expertise. Leather selection, pattern creation, cutting, stitching, shaping, finishing. Master bootmakers continued refining every aspect of construction. The elastic improved functionality. Craftsmanship preserved quality. Together they created a remarkably successful combination. The Victorian era proved fertile ground for adoption. Society valued both innovation and elegance. The elastic side boot offered both. Its streamlined appearance aligned perfectly with contemporary tastes. Its practicality appealed to everyday users. The design spread rapidly. Soon it appeared beyond its original context. Different professions embraced it. Different regions adapted it. Different cultures incorporated it into local traditions. Few footwear innovations traveled so effectively. Riding culture played an important role in its expansion. Horse riders appreciated the boot's convenience. Mounting and dismounting frequently required practical footwear. Elastic side boots performed exceptionally well. Their secure fit enhanced comfort. Their ease of use saved time. The design naturally aligned with equestrian lifestyles. The association strengthened the boot's reputation further. Workwear provided another major opportunity. Workers often prioritize reliability and efficiency. Complicated fastening systems offer little value in demanding environments. Elastic side boots simplified daily routines. The design proved durable, practical, dependable. Industries embraced it. The boot gradually established itself as a workwear staple. Many people encountered the design through labor rather than fashion. This practical foundation contributed significantly to its longevity. Fashion eventually recognized its potential. Historically, many successful fashion items begin as functional tools. The elastic side boot followed this familiar pattern. Its clean silhouette appealed to designers. Its history added authenticity. Its practicality increased wearability. Fashion and function aligned naturally. The result was powerful. The boot transitioned smoothly between different worlds. Workwear, formal wear, casual clothing, cultural movements amplified its visibility. The 20th century witnessed several notable waves of popularity. Musicians embraced sleek elastic side designs. Artists adopted them. Youth cultures incorporated them. The boot acquired new symbolic meanings. Individuality, confidence, modernity. Yet throughout these transformations, its essential identity remained unchanged. The elastic panel continued doing the same job it always had, making life easier. The relationship between technology and invisibility deserves attention. Many successful technologies disappear into everyday experience. Users stop noticing them. The elastic side boot achieved this level of integration. People appreciate the convenience without necessarily thinking about the engineering behind it. That invisibility represents success. The innovation became normal, expected, essential. Modern materials expanded possibilities further. Contemporary manufacturers utilize advanced elastics, improved adhesives, enhanced construction techniques, precision manufacturing. The result is greater durability and consistency. Yet despite these advances, the design remains instantly recognizable. A person from the 19th century would understand its purpose immediately. That continuity is remarkable. Few products survive so many decades with such little alteration. The global spread of elastic side boots demonstrates another important lesson. Good ideas travel. A practical solution developed in one environment often proves useful elsewhere. The boot crossed borders effortlessly. Urban environments embraced it. Rural communities embraced it. Professionals embraced it. Tradespeople embraced it. The design transcended social categories. Its usefulness proved universal. Perhaps the most fascinating aspect of elastic side boots is what they reveal about innovation itself. Popular imagination often associates innovation with complexity. Computers, machines, advanced technologies. History frequently tells a different story. Sometimes innovation involves subtraction rather than addition, removing complications, reducing friction, making life easier. The elastic side boot belongs to that tradition. Its genius lies in simplicity. A small change, a major impact. The best inventions often follow this pattern. They solve ordinary problems so effectively that people eventually forget those problems ever existed. That is precisely what happened here. And beneath the leather, beneath the elastic panels, beneath the workshops, riding fields, factories, fashion houses, and generations of daily use, the elastic side boot tells a larger story. A story about efficiency, about craftsmanship, about humanity's ability to improve everyday life through thoughtful design. Because throughout history, the most influential inventions have not always been the largest. Sometimes they fit inside a boot. The elastic side boot became one of those inventions. A triumph of practicality, a symbol of timeless design, a masterpiece of functional craftsmanship, and one of the most successful footwear innovations ever created.